Summit County in northeastern
jeez.
Ohio until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight
Greater
Time.
thunderstorm warning for my county.
At 4:52 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southeast of Brunswick, or 9 miles east of
Modena, moving at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar
And a flood advisory just got issued.
Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Akron, Modena, Cuyahoga Falls,
North Royalton, Barber Turn, Wadsworth, Norton, Hinkley, Fair Lawn,
Richfield, Boston Heights, Peninsula, Montrose, Ghent, and Pigeon Creek. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Modena, and Summit. Flood advisory in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. What flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected? Where? A portion of northeast Ohio, including the following counties, Cuyahoga and Modena. When? Until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Impacts: minor flooding in low-lying and poor drainage areas. Additional details at 4:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight